Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the dock model and updating firmware if needed because compatibility affects multi-monitor support. Once done, plug the dock into AC power and wait for a stable LED. This prevents intermittent detection. Next, connect the primary monitor to the dock using the recommended port, display port preferred for multi-stream transport, and turn the monitor on so the system can enumerate it. This fast initial setup avoids driver confusion and speeds the rest of the process. Now you attach the second monitor to the dock's other video output or chain via DisplayPort MSD if your dock and monitors support it, because MSD lets two screens run over a single DP connection. Make sure any MSD toggle in monitor menus is enabled. Otherwise, the chain won't propagate. Then install or update the HP docking utility and your GPU drivers so the host recognizes both displays. If Windows or Mac OS prompts for a restart, accept it to finalize driver initialization and detection. Finally, open your system display settings and arrange the monitors to match physical placement. Then set each display's resolution and refresh rate to supported values so images look correct. Once configured, test by dragging a window across both screens. If it fails, disconnect and reconnect cables one at a time to isolate a bad lead. If problems persist, update dock firmware, try alternate ports, power cycle the dock and host, and only then consult HP support. These steps resolve the vast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.